Welcome back to our You Ask, We Answer series. In today's video, we're tackling an important question from a viewer who's currently on a J-1 visa. Hi, my sponsor already filed ETA 9141. Does this mean I can stay after my J-1 visa expires since I have an active case, or do I still need to go home? Great question. Let's break down what this means and your options. Understanding ETA 9141. First, it's important to clarify what the ETA 9141 form is. This form is a part of the PERM, Program Electronic Review Management Labor Certification, which is the first step in certain green card processes. It's used by your sponsor to request a prevailing wage determination from the Department of Labor. This is crucial for ensuring that the wage offered to a foreign worker is not undermining the wage rates of U.S. workers in similar positions. Number 2, status of J-1 visa. The filing of an ETA 9141 form does not automatically change or extend your J-1 visa status. Your ability to stay in the U.S. legally is tied to the conditions of your J-1 visa, including its expiration date. Number 3, need to follow visa requirements. So even with an active PERM case, you must adhere to the J-1 visa's requirements. If your J-1 visa is nearing expiration and you don't have another visa status secured, you typically need to return to your home country unless you apply for a change of status or extension. What are your possible visa options? If your goal is to transition from a J-1 to another type of visa that would allow you to stay in the U.S., such as an H-1B work visa, you might need to discuss with your sponsor the possibility of filing a petition for a change of status on your behalf before your J-1 status expires. 2-year home country physical presence requirement. Be aware that some J-1 visa holders are subject to a 2-year home country physical presence requirement, which means you must return to your home country for at least 2 years at the end of your exchange visitor program. You should check if this applies to you, as it could affect your plans. Given the complexities of visa transitions and PERM processes, it's highly recommended to consult with an immigration attorney who can provide personalized advice based on the details of your specific situation. Remember, staying in the U.S. beyond the expiration of your visa without securing a legal extension or change of status can lead to severe consequences, including potential bans on future entry into the United States. Thank you for your questions, and make sure to check all the legalities with an expert to plan your next steps safely and correctly.